In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make a whole chicken in a crock pot slow cooker. So we're going to make our own mix of seasonings to use, but you can use your favorite poultry seasoning or salt and pepper. We're going to put some vegetables on the bottom. I'm going to use onion and sweet potato. I like to use sweet potato instead of regular potato. I think it just adds a little bit more flavor and it's healthier, so that's always a good reason. And then we're going to put it in the crock pot for about 5.5 to 6 hours. I think about 4 hours is usually done, but I like to give it that little extra time for that moisture to set in. And I like to put the bird breast side down. I think that gives you the best, most tender, juicy breast meat. The rest of it is all very easy to get tender, so that's my secret. But I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Alright, let's try it. So we've got our crock pot preheating here on low. We're going to set it to 6 hours here. Make sure it is on the low setting. And the final touch before we put the cap on is rosemary. We're going to add some nice rosemary. If you got fresh rosemary, you can stuff that in there as well. Now we're going to put the lid on this thing. You may have noticed I didn't add any water. You do not need to add moisture to it. So now we're going to wait for about 4 or 5 hours and come back and check on it. So normally I would just serve it in the crock pot and cut it in there, but for you guys I have an extra little tip to show you how to get that skin a little crispier. So I'm gonna try to get it out here nicely in one piece. There we go. We're gonna let some of that liquid drain off and I'll set it down here on my drying rack. And look at these vegetables. The onions and potatoes have just absorbed that chicken juice. It's gonna be so good. So at this point, the bird is ready to eat. But another option you can use if you want to get a little bit more texture, a nice crispy skin, is if you can take it out, put it in your oven on broil for about 5 to 10 minutes, or to your desired crispiness, and then let it cool and carve it up. Now, after it's rested for a while, we can go ahead and carve into it. So I like to take the thigh and the leg as one. You don't even have to really cut it. I mean, look at this. it just falls apart. But there is your quarter. If you wanted, you could separate them out. There's your leg. And then what everybody is gonna want to see, the breast. So without taking this thing apart too much, look at this breast. Let me go ahead and get that leg out of the way there. We're just gonna cut. Oh yeah. Now that is a tender, juicy chicken breast. I mean, look at that. That is very hot. Don't try this at home. Okay, let's try that breast. Slow cooker allows all that juice and the seasoning to be absorbed into the meat. Very good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. What else you want to see? And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. And until the next one, bakes out. Bendy spoon, you know.